How to check Snapchat creation date. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Snapchat on a device. Then tap on the profile picture. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down. Then tap on my data. Now wait for some time. Now scroll down and make sure to select user information. Again scroll down. Then tap on next. Now turn off the toggle for do you want to export data from a specific date range. Then tap on submit. Now once your file is ready, simply download the file, then open up the file and you can find the account creation date from account history. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.